Are you that person that is trying to go your business inventory? An event planner, venue owner, or professional in the wedding or event industry? A small business that's scared to purchase from overseas? It can be quite an expensive venture to order from overseas. Are you knowledgeable of the risk? Are you afraid of getting scammed or the risk of wiring a huge sum of money overseas? Build-A-Box members have no worries about the costs, product quality, shipping, and potential fraud. They depend on our team of experts. We are staffed with freight forwarders, custom brokers, and a warehouse team with 20 years of experience. The Warehouse Decor Direct has a Build-A-Box family of members that are just like you. Once you pay the membership fee to join the family, you'll see how quickly that membership fee is returned in value of benefits. We welcome everyone to purchase, but Build-A-Box members are prioritized. As a Build-A-Box member, you will receive priority service, including customizations of merchandise, extra discounts. Pre-order your desired items and let them arrive in our Pennsylvania warehouse stress-free. We provide our members with shipping protection, warehouse pickup, and/or door delivery. Our regular retail prices are already lower than most of the retailers, but you, as a Build-A-Box member, will get even lower than our regular prices. Newsletters on deals, door service for less, payment arrangements, and great member deals on what's in stock. Lastly, a Facebook community that grows together. Sign up, join our family, get protection, start saving and growing your inventory.